Revolut Premium is priced at $9.99 per month and is designed for people who want a little more out of their everyday spending and travel without jumping all the way to a luxury tier. One of its standout features is access to over 55,000 no-fee ATMs around the world, which is great if you're someone who travels or even just wants flexibility at home. You also get up to $800 in free withdrawals at out-of-network ATMs each month, which adds another layer of convenience, especially if you're always on the go. A big plus is the 3.5% APY on your savings, which accrues daily. That's higher than what most traditional banks offer and makes this plan attractive for anyone who wants their money to quietly work in the background. For international spenders, Revolut Premium offers market competitive exchange rates and no currency exchange fees up to $10,000 per month Monday to Friday. That can really add up in savings if you travel or shop internationally often. It's also got perks for families. You can open up to 518 accounts, giving kids or teens access to their own money under your guidance with full access to the features. That's a solid bonus if you're trying to teach financial responsibility early. On top of that, you get express complimentary card delivery and the option to create unlimited single-use virtual cards for safer online shopping, which is a simple but powerful tool against fraud. Now, let's talk about what's missing. For $9.99 a month, you don't get any purchase protection, returns coverage, or event ticket protection. There's also no travel insurance of any kind included, no baggage protection, no trip delay coverage, and no emergency medical insurance. That's something to keep in mind if you're comparing it to other services that bundle in travel perks for similar pricing. Also, while you get discounted international transfers and lounge access, the details are vague and come with terms and conditions, so they may not be as valuable in practice unless you travel a lot. Revolut Premium is best for people who want better control over their spending, especially internationally, and some solid banking perks without going all in on the higher tier plans. If you're not looking for travel insurance or luxury extras and just want solid day-to-day features with useful savings, virtual card security, and a few international benefits, this plan does a lot for under $10 a month. But if you're someone who expects full protection on purchases or a safety net while traveling, you might feel like something's missing.